Have you ever thought, if only I had started sooner? You're getting close to retirement, and now you thought you'd be able to travel, be able to spend time with the grandkids, and be able to check off some of those things on your bucket list, but you're finding yourself in a position where you're not sure the money's going to last, and you're wondering what you're going to do. Well, I want to tell you, you are not alone, and I want you to know it's not too late. Hi, I'm Wendy. I'm a business coach. I've been helping people for over 30 years to be able to get free from 9-to-5 jobs and do what really mattered most to them. And I've owned tanning salons, I've owned a trucking company, been in real estate, and I've had a successful network marketing business. So I've really kind of experienced a lot of the different types of businesses out there. But when I discovered the world of online marketing and creating income online, everything changed. We're living in a digital economy that is producing over $1 billion a day in revenue in e-learning and digital marketing products. And that number is expected to triple by 2027. That means there's finally a way to earn income without having to physically go to an office and check in or punch a time clock. Unlike a part-time job during retirement, your online business can make money for you long after you have logged off your computer. And just to show you how real the potential is, in my first week with an online business, I earned back my initial investment plus earned an extra $1,800. That's when I knew I had found something different. So today I'm going to show you 5 keys to retiring without regret with a 2-hour Workday Blueprint. And thousands of people just like you and me are already creating income using these steps. And stick with me to the end, because key number 5 is going to give you the missing link that most people overlook, but it actually brings things all together, and that's going to make this so much easier for you. So key number 1, first you got to just believe in your mind that it is not too late. One of the biggest obstacles people face isn't time, it's belief. So many people in their 50s, 60s, and 70s just think, that ship sailed and I missed the boat. But it hasn't, and God specializes in redeeming our past mistakes. So if you feel like you've made mistakes financially and in how you've invested, it's not too late for you. God redeems those past mistakes. If you feel like you've missed your window, then in the comments below, type, "It's not too late." That's your declaration that it's not too late to start over. It's not too late to add to your retirement fund. And I'm going to show you some key ways how you can do that. Because the moment that you stop disqualifying yourself is when doors will start opening to you. Key number 2, discover the 2-hour Workday system. Let's talk about a system that is changing lives. This is not a get-rich-quick gimmick. It's a proven step-by-step business model that's perfect for beginners and retirees who just want to work a couple hours a day online. And here's what makes it work. You earn 100% profit, and you have the Master Resell Rights to sell 4 done-for-you products that are already proven to work online. Once you purchase a system for yourself, then you get the Master Resell Rights to sell those e-learning courses on doing digital marketing over and over and over again. There is no deadline, there's no renewal, there's no monthly fees. When I heard, that's what got me really excited. And then you have automations that do the heavy lifting. All the websites, the emails, the follow-ups, all that is done automatically through your system. So it follows up for you 24/7 while you go on with your life. And the best part is that you don't have to have any tech skills, you don't have to have a big following on social media, and you don't have to know how to build a website. All that is done for you. And you'll learn everything you need to know step by step through the program. Key number 3 is to follow proven success stories. Let me introduce you to my friend Mary Ann. Her dream for retirement was to go RVing, and she and her husband would travel across the country. But the problem was she was $50,000 in debt, and they just didn't have the retirement funds set aside to allow them to fulfill their dreams. She heard about the online program that I'm sharing with you, and she decided to start following it. And in 6 months' time, she earned $100,000 and she was able to pay off her debt completely. And now she and her husband are sending me pictures as they travel from coast to coast. If stories like that encourage you and inspire you, type freedom below and let me know that you're interested in taking a look at this blueprint. Because stories like Mary Ann's prove that consistency and following the right system can totally change your retirement years and give you the dreams that you've always been wanting. Key number 4 is not to let fear stop you. The truth is, most people don't fail because the opportunity just doesn't work, but it's because fear wins the argument and tells you that you can't do it. Fear says, you're too old. What if it doesn't work? You can't do it. But faith says, what if it does work? You don't have to know everything to get started. You just have to start. And every step of progress builds confidence. So if you've been praying for a sign and asking God for another income stream for your retirement years, this may be just what you've been praying for. So key number 5, this is the missing link that I told you I would tell you about, and that is community. You know, with all of the scams and all of the empty promises out there on the internet today, having community and knowing you're talking to real people is super important. That's why I created End Zone Living. It's a community that runs on the school platform that is for those who are getting close to retirement, who want to finish strong. They want to stay healthy all the way through their retirement years, and they want to be able to leave a legacy for their children and their grandchildren, and also be able to give generously into ministries that they are most passionate about. So that's what we do in End Zone Living. I also have a daily inspirational devotional that I share on every weekday morning. So I would welcome you to be part of that. Get to know me so that you know whether you want to be part of what I am sharing with you. The other big community, though, is that when you join the digital marketing program, you will have free access to a membership in our community that is 57,000 members strong now, where you will get mentorship, you'll have live coaching, there'll be Zoom calls, and you'll be able to get your questions answered, and you'll get to know people that are like-minded just like you. You'll meet Michelle O'Neill, the creator of the program. She is our mentor. She has earned over $6 million in the last 3 years in the digital marketing space, and she teaches us every single step that she has taken and what she's done. And she teaches on a daily basis within the community, as well as all of the library of videos that you get in the program. So the community is what ties it all together. You'll see other grandparents, empty nesters, and retirees who are earning income online just like you. So let me ask you, how long have you been sitting on the sidelines looking at things that maybe you could do to earn some extra income for retirement? If you felt that nudge in your spirit, but you haven't acted yet, maybe this is your moment. I want to encourage you, you can do this. I have seen so many people to be able to change their lives with this online business in just a couple hours today. So in the description below, you'll see a link to the free blueprint. Click on that. Put in your email address and you'll get the blueprint. And then if you have questions, you'll have my email address then too, so you can certainly communicate with me and ask me any questions. And then right below that, you'll see a link to my End Zone Living community. I would love to have you join the community. I think you'll be blessed by it. So I want you to know that you are not too old, you're not too late, and your best days are still ahead of you. So let's finish strong together. And on my next video, I'm going to go into detail on what exactly you do for 2 hours every day in income producing activities. So take a look at that, and I will see you on my next video.